Hi everyone, welcome to next course in our SAP ABAP learning series. And in this course, we'll explore like how to integrate a Google form with the SAP with a real-time scenario. Let's say like many company they use a contact us page on their website. Okay, so the requirement like once they fill the contact us page on their website or portal or through direct link, the first we have to capture the response from that contact us Google form into a spreadsheet, and from a spreadsheet through Google App Script will pass the data to SAP via the SAP REST API. So this is a simple example. If you visit like most of the website, they have this kind of form like name, email, mobile, and message. Okay, we'll take a simple scenario first to understand the concept. Once you know the concept, the method, your requirement, you can do some complex form designing, okay, or some like real-time data insertion and all, once you know the basic concepts. So for our demo, I will consider this scenario like from the Google form, the user will enter the name, email, mobile, and message. And once they submit the form, first the response to capture in spreadsheet, Google spreadsheet, then via app script, it is to be passed to the SAP system. So the objective, like learn how to integrate Google Form with SAP backend via API. The scenario, like contact us page where the customer enter name, email, mobile, and the message. So the outcome, like data should automatically send to SAP via API on the form submission. So business requirement, as I explained, the same thing. Like many companies, they have the contact us page. Okay, so when the customer fill the form, the data should be directly available in SAP. So this will eliminate the manual email reading and data entry. So whenever any response received in Google form, okay, the user get an email. So they have to check the email and enter data in SAP manually. So that complete task will get eliminated with this automatic process. It enables the real-time lead capture for sales or service teams. Okay, so the key requirement, capture data, push to SAP, and then in SAP store in a table for further processing. And we can also trigger a notification. This is optional. Like once the data is received in SAP, through SAP we can send an email on the email ID which is captured. Fine. So like proposed solution, like customer fill the Google form. Google form to spreadsheet is auto link, and in scripts fetch the new responses, and that scripts call the app script called the REST API endpoint. Okay, SAP receive the data and is stored in a custom table. So what are the advantage? Okay, this is the flow. And what are the advantage? Real-time integration, no manual effort, and secure data transfer. So technical approach, like first we have to set up a Google form with 4 fields. Then in app scripts, trigger on form submit. Okay, this is important. And then API to call the SAP using the HTTP post request. OData is optional. I'm going with the REST API. Okay, you can also try with the OData service. And we'll create a custom table like z contact underscore us, contact us, or any other table name you can give. No issue in that. And we'll store data in that table. So the object to be developed, first we have to develop in SAP z contact underscore us table with the name, email, mobile, message created on. And I will also add one more field as we can say as an inquiry ID. We'll just take a random 10-digit number. Okay, that also I will add. Okay, but from form we will get only name, email, mobile, and message. This created on time, and that like first field, the key field, like we have the purchase order, sales order, will create one field like the inquiry ID. Okay, after table we have to create a BAP class to insert the receive data in it. We will create a REST API and will expose the endpoint. Okay, if you're going with the OData service, then you have to register the service. And the front end will be Google App Script for the API call with authentication. For the security, you can use the basic authentication or the OAuth if available in your SAP API. The learning outcome, like learn how to create and configure Google form for SAP integration, write Google app script to push data to SAP API, create the REST API, store data in custom table, and apply basic authentication for secure API calls. Fine. So the overall, like the conclusion of this, like integration between Google Form and SAP is simple and cost effective. Okay, real time data capture improves the business efficiency. And once we learn this basic concept from integration, you can apply the same concept for any other requirement. Like suppose you're sharing a feedback form to the customer, you're sharing the order details, like you're getting order from your like system houses, okay, your partners. Okay, you want to integrate for the complaint module, you want to create a purchase order, anything you can do once you understand the basic concepts. So this is like a higher level introduction for this course. From next session, first we'll create a Google form, okay, and then we proceed further. Thank you.